In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction. Whether you're refreshing your brand, updating your content, or simply need some time to make improvements, putting your site under construction is a straightforward process on Wix. Let's dive into how you can do this effectively. First, head over to the Wix website. Once you're logged in and at the dashboard of the website you wish to work on, your journey begins. Focus on the left-hand menu and locate the option labeled Pages and Menu. This section is crucial because it's where you control the visibility and structure of your website. Once you click on Pages and Menu, you will see a list of all the current pages of your site. Look for the Add a New Page button and select it. This is how you'll add a temporary page that announces your website is under construction. It's important to make this page clear and informative, so your visitors know the site is being updated and will look forward to its return. With the Add a New Page option open, you will need to choose a page type. Go ahead and select Landing Page. These types of pages are perfect for single-focus messages, such as maintenance or coming soon notifications. The beauty of web design is how you can tailor it to meet your needs, and this step is no exception. Once you're in the landing page section, take a moment to explore the available templates. Here, you'll discover a variety of options, each designed to serve different purposes. Keep an eye out for a template aptly named Down for Maintenance. This page template is specifically crafted to inform visitors that your site is temporarily unavailable and lets them know you're hard at work behind the scenes. Click on this Down for Maintenance template to add it to your site. This template is pre-designed with a message that your site is under construction, saving you time and ensuring your message is conveyed clearly. It's a good idea to personalize the text slightly to fit your website's voice or brand. A simple message like, "We're currently under construction, please check back soon," can reassure your visitors and maintain their interest. Remember, the ease of Wix allows you to switch your site to and from this under construction state with little fuss, so feel free to make adjustments at any time. Don't forget to save your changes and then publish the page to make it live. And there you have it. Your site is now in under construction mode on Wix, ensuring your audience understands that improvements are underway and encouraging them to return soon. This method is a fantastic way to manage your brand effectively while updates are being implemented. Thanks for watching and happy designing.